Hello friends, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you how you can fix a MySQL error, that is fatal error, uncaught MySQL exception. You have an error in your SQL syntax. So you might have seen this error many times in your MySQL program or your MySQL code. So in this video I will show you how you can easily fix this error and what is the main cause of this error. So I will tell you in this video. So let's get started. So this error is clearly saying you have an error in your SQL syntax. So this is the main cause of the error. It is saying you have an error in your SQL syntax. That means there is something wrong in your SQL query. There is something wrong with the syntax in your SQL query, whether you have used wrong syntax. It might be you have used wrong keyword, you have missed semicolon or single quotes, or there is something incorrect use of single quotes or double quotes. Okay, so you have to carefully check your SQL query. So now this error, you can see this error. So I will go to my SQL code. I have written a simple SQL code to demonstrate this error. Okay, so now I will directly, if you are facing this error, so directly check your SQL query. Okay, so I will come to my SQL query. So this is the query. Here I have written a query: select all from voters where name equal Neha Singh. Okay, so I have to check this query. So what is this error in this query? You can pause this video and you can find the error and simply tell me in the comment section. So basically I have missed a single column here. Okay, I have written a query: select all from voters where name equal Neha Singh. So name is a string, so you have to put this name in single quotes. So I have missed a single quote. I have started the single quotes, but I have never closed this. Okay, so simply close this. So now this query is complete. Select all from voters where name equal Neha Singh, and Neha Singh is a string, so it must be in single quotes or double quotes. This is the correct query. So now I will save it, and if I refresh, it is showing me the correct name, which is Neha Singh. Means your query is running perfectly. There might be any error in your query, whether it might be you have used incorrect keyword. Let's say you have used SELECT instead of select. Okay, so simply save, and if I try to run it again, it will show me the same error. You have an error in your SQL syntax near select. So you have to simply go to your query and check your query. So I hope you are able to find or fix this error. If you are facing this error, if you are still facing this error, you can comment me in the comment section. I will read each and every comment of this video, and I will try to fix it as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.